My wig is more secured than the Capitol. 2020 Volume 2. Hey y'all, it's SheRea. What's up? Notice anything different? I got inches overnight, honey. But now y'all, I am doing this video in collaboration with Asteria Wig. They sent me over this headband wig. Headband wigs are all the rage. I stayed far away from them as long as possible, but I finally wanted to give it a try and see what it do. There's so many things about headband wigs that make them different from lace wigs, and I go through all of that in this video. I show you how to style the wig, I show you how to detangle the wig, I show you what I did to my natural hair underneath the wig. I give you the tips and tricks, y'all, so if you're interested, then let's get into it. Today we're gonna do something a bit different. Here's the thing. My twists underneath this bonnet are not dry. Low porosity problems. Let's reveal. They're wet. They're sopping wet. But come on, inches. So let me show you what I do when my hair doesn't dry, or I'm just trying to do something right quick. I want to look cute. I can wear my twist out like this and just rock it like Felicia without a care in the world.
Pray.
Bye, Felicia.
Which is what I usually do. But today I'm gonna do a little razzle dazzle. I wanna look a bit cute. So let me show you, how I make it poppin'. So these are my twists. I moisturized my hair last night. My hair was super dry, so I needed some moisture. If you do wanna see how I moisturize my hair, definitely click right here for that video, and it shows you how to re-moisturize super dry natural hair in 3 different ways. So yes. So the secret to growing my hair out long and how I've been able to achieve so much length in a short amount of time is wearing my hair out as little as possible. So when it comes to braid outs and twist outs and other styles, I don't wear them as an everyday thing. I usually do low manipulation styles like twists like this, or I do single braids. Dookie, single braids, or twists. So I either wear my hair like this with no care in the world. 2, I throw a head wrap on these twists or braids. Or 3, I wear a wig. But I've been tired, absolutely tired of lace. I can't tell you the last time I've worn one of my lace wigs, lace fronts, lace. Y'all know I'm not fancy with the lace and stuff. And I just don't feel like laying nothing. I don't feel like, sometimes you're wearing your wig and all of a sudden your wig is pulled back here. Been there, done that. I don't want to go back. But thankfully, because of the pandemic, lace is a scarcity. So there's headband wigs, and I'm going to be trying one with you on camera. That's ghetto, but this is real life. Y'all know how I do it. They did send me a nice one, a new one, but where is it? I have no idea, because life is lifing. I actually have worn this wig several times, so this is not new to me. I've tested it out. I have my pros and cons, and we're gonna share it today. So I'm gonna pull my hair back a little bit. What I like about headband wigs is that anyone can wear one. You don't have to be good at wigs. You don't have to be good at laying lace. You literally throw it on like a hat. And who doesn't like a hair hat? It makes you look cute. Next step, I'm going to lay my edges. Nothing fancy. I don't do no swoops or nothing like that, because I don't have baby hair. My edges are full grown. They got mortgages and stuff, and they got student loans, because this is America. So let's get the wig, because I've been doing a lot of talking. This is what the wig looks like, but don't be scared. Again, I've worn this wig. I've thrown this wig around on the couch. I've been lazy with it. I threw it in the bag, which comes in a really nice silk bag, by the way. So this is what it's looking like. But we're gonna fix it, we're gonna revive it. So headband wigs come with wig combs just like lace wigs. There were 3 in the front and I believe 1 or 2 in the back, but I took those out because I don't wanna be bald, okay? Now, but what I am saying is that wig combs can pull out fine and fragile hair, and because my hair is fine and fragile and it needs a lot of love, I don't play those games. We don't play those games over here, okay? So I did take them out. And I advise you, especially if your hair easily breaks, don't use no wig combs, girl. Don't do it. Okay. So, like the name suggests, it's a headband. This is a situation right here. All you do is kind of Velcro it like that, and it secures it on your head. I'm gonna just prop it on. And your hair doesn't have to be super flat like it does with lace. You know, sometimes with lace, if your hair isn't flat, it don't lay right. These aren't like that for the most part. You don't have to do a lot. And that's why they're really good for people like us who want to be cute but don't want to be doing the most. Dang, can I be cute without having to do a lot? So all you're gonna do is kind of prop your hair up just to get it off your neck. All right. So what I do is that I pull my wig cap down just so I can have it over my edges so that the Velcro doesn't get on my edges. And then I pull it as tightly or as loosely as I want. And that's it. So that's what we have. Boom, boom, boom. We can unsecure this. My wig is more secured than the capital. 2020 volume 2. So I'm just gonna take some water. Focus, baby, focus. Spend too much on this camera now. I'm tired. We got. All right. All I'm gonna do now is just spray it down to help revive the curls. Honestly, this hair just needs some water and like a light leave-in, but I'm gonna do a bit something extra today. But you don't need a lot of product like you do on your natural hair, a bunch of oils and buttercreams and that stuff. You don't need none of that. Then I'm just going to finger detangle it. Just to get all the knots from weeks prior. So you can see my bra. It's okay. Y'all see that? Huh, bitch. We got interest. So let's look at the difference, all right? So you can either wear it like this, well, you know, a little less tangled and janky, or you can wear it like this. So you can wear it big or you can wear it flat. What I'm gonna do now is go in with a bit of texture ID. I use it on my hair and I don't like it. So I'm just gonna use it up on this wig. One tip, because it is curly hair, I advise you finger detangle, just like I advise you finger detangle your natural hair. The more you use combs and brushes, it's just going to thin the hair out like it can thin your natural hair out. So I just use my fingers. And boom. That's it. That is it. You like that? I'm just going to repeat the process on the other side. Now that the hair is nice and defined, we can push the headband back. I didn't want to do it early because I know I'd be pulling and tugging on my hair. I'm just going to pull it back a little bit behind my hairline. You can technically rock it like this, but I just think that just looks a bit crazy to me. I'm not going to knock nobody, but I'm not going to do it. So I'm going to use my own headband using just some cloth that I got from I Am Zanny. I believe the company down below, the black-owned company down below. Yes, my bow is big and obnoxious, but I'm just gonna go and do a little razzle dazzle, put on a bit of a face, and I'll be back to wrap up my final thoughts. All right, y'all, this is the final look. The hair is still air drying a bit, but this is basically what it's going to look like once it finally dries. I love this hair. I love this hair. I love how it looks on me. So shout out to Asteria Wig for really hooking your girl up. But now let's talk about the pros and cons right quick. So let's talk about the pros. Beautiful hair, amazing, easy to detangle, easy to style. Even if you're not a wig person, you can still rock this wig and you can make this hair work. All you gotta do is tweak your edges a little bit and pull it back. Easy peasy, no lace, no glue, no gel, none of that. Easy install. Second pro, there's no commitment. You throw the wig on, you throw it off. You can buy multiple headband wigs. You can have different looks, different days. You can do different things. You can swap out the headbands. You can use scarves. You can use cloth. You can make it your own. You can customize it as much as you want. So those are the 2 pros for me. Love this hair, nothing bad to say about it. But if I would talk about a con, I personally don't like the Velcro. It is easy for Velcro to stick on the edges, and that can pull your edges out. And because a lot of black women deal with traction alopecia and breakage, I wish it was more of a clasp, like a button clasp. I don't know what those things are called, where you can just snap it into place like a snap. I wish it was more like that versus how it is right now. I personally don't care for the Velcro just because I'm very particular about my hair and all of that stuff. Secondly, and this is kind of nitpicking, I do wish that the headband piece was a bit thinner just so it could be easy to conceal. It's kind of wide to me, so I feel like I have to work more to cover it. Yes, you can fold it, but I just wish that it was a bit thinner just to make it easy to cover, because I will never wear the headband just as it is. I won't do it ever. And thirdly, this is a final con. It, for me, at least in my big head, I think this wig cap is kind of small. I wish I had more coverage on the sides, so I can fix that by braiding my hair flat in cornrows, which I won't do, or maybe getting a wig that comes in a bigger size. I'm not sure what size this is. I couldn't find it on the website. Maybe it's a small or medium, so maybe I would need a large, but that's the only cons. Besides that, I'm really happy with this headband wig. Let me know, what are your thoughts about it? Have you been interested in trying a headband wig? Have you been scared? Do you have a headband wig that you like? Definitely let me know down below. I know everyone isn't into wigs and you don't have to be. I'm just giving y'all options. Y'all got options, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, thank you to Asteria Wig, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace. Happy growing, y'all.